kids from Claret, Quezon City. Medyo malayo-layo binahin ng mga batang to, just to witness high-quality volleyball competition. And even the young ones.
The young ones with their parents enjoying the game. Alam mo, ang dami ko nami-meet na yung mga bata pa lang, let's say mga 5, 6 years old. Sinasabi, alam mo, gusto na mag-volleyball. Ganun ka-popular yung sport. It is really become one of the favorite sports of many in the Philippines. Hindi nga lang Philippines diba? Over the world. Ang dami sa ating mga nag-tweet,
and
Facebook.
Rightfully so. The excitement generated by this game is comparable already to the kind of excitement you get from basketball. Right? I mean,
I waited for that to happen.
And this is a game very close to your heart, of course, Mosey, because you played the sport as a student athlete.
Dream ng every alumni or alumni ng volleyball. Yung maging ganito siya, yung this big, it deserves it, diba? The sport deserves it.
It truly does. And all of these teams, I mean, bar none, all of them have contributed to what UAAP volleyball is now, whether it's UE, UP,
True, lahat yan.
All of them.
That is so true.
They contributed to the fan base.
Even the other tournaments, lahat yan contributed.
10-point lead again after NU trimmed down the lead to just 4 or deficit to 4. Tumambak na naman ang Adamson. Let's listen to NU.
Kung ano sasabihin ko sa inyo alam niyo si Dindin, isa sa mga weak receiver. Ikaw yung mga best receiver dyan. Di ba pinapractice kayo ng pagganito? Ikaw lang mag-isa? Hindi ba natin kayang habulin yon para lang mabuhay yung bola? Iaasa natin kay Dindin. Hindi dapat ganon. Ikaw yung libero, hanggat maaari, kunin mo. Kaya tsagaan natin para makahabol tayo. Hindi pa tapos yan. Magpakumpi ka. Ayan ka na naman sa open mo National.
Ranked #1 best receiver from National University, Jen Reyes, and that's why he's being called out by in a fatherly fashion by Francis Vicente, the head coach, na ikaw ang best receiver. Ipakita mo kasi the team really needs you. Dindin Santiago needs you. Dindin can't do it all. And mahihirapan naman ang the rest of the team if, you don't do your role.
And really, Eric, si Jen Reyes, not only the best receiver, but to me, she's the heart and soul of the NU team. She starts everything off, tapos ang dami niyang pwedeng pagbigyan kasi, of course, it will also depend on the setter, pero si Jen talaga napaka-steady dun sa job niya, napaka-steady dun sa position niya. And ever since, alam natin na iba yung impact na nagagawa ng Jen Reyes inside the court.
A little more tenacity is what Francis Vicente wants. A nice hit by Kai Nepomuceno down the line. Here's Pineda. Good coverage. Ordaz has been doing a pretty good job defensively. And Nepomuceno does it again.
That's what they need. Kai Nepomuceno going that short stab.
2 straight points for National University. And Adamson calling a timeout. Let's listen to Coach Sherwin Meneses.
Yung sa open, pwede kayo mag-2 Pwede kayo mag-2. Para siya nakukuha ng drop ball. Kasi A lang naman ang palo nun, di ba? Para makadepensa kayo ng maganda sa zone 1. May, checkin mo ng konti. Ha? O, isang side out muna tayo. Running. See.
Coach Sherwin Meneses has done a spectacular, marvelous job with these girls, especially after nag-retire na si Mami Dulce. You'd think a system would change and the players will have to adjust.
Even the demeanor did not change.
Nothing.
By the way.
Except the coach. That's it, the name of the coach. That's all that changed. It's still the very same system. Players are playing the same way.
Now he wants a quicker attack. So, see quick, be quick, sabi niya. But sabi ni Makatuno, hindi na ako na lang muna. Let me do it. Going for that dump ball. And then si Makatuno is one of the players that you don't usually see doing that. That's why it's so effective to her.
She doesn't take matters into her own hands usually.
Yeah. Effective for her. Diba? You normally see that with Jam,
Ferrer.
Giselle C.
Giselle C, that's right. 20 Serving 12. Nepomuceno. Tit for tat. Tumawi. NU. But they've got a long way to go.
That guy, Nepomuceno, way up in the air. So perfect for that push. Kasi pag matangkad ka, you go over the blockers and you can really put that ball where it belongs. But this time, Soriano, that ball belonged to supposedly Pablo. Pero, ayun, point for Soriano on that very nice angle, quick hit.
Soriano is one of those players that disprove the common notion that kailangan matangkad ka para maging magaling ka sa volleyball.
Oh.
Service error on the part of Pineda after sending in so many aces in the early part of set number 1. General checks in for Nepomuceno. We've seen much bigger leads overhauled here, so this is not going to be easy, but at the same time, it's not impossible for NU to come back here.
Well, yeah, they have to come back right now because Adamson, although 4 points away, they got no check on that hit by Zapata, so NU gets another point.
Lucky break.
Yep.
Para sa NU that time. That was pretty close. The first referee obviously has the best angle in the house, so to speak. 15 serving 21.
Oh, and closing out on Soriano, Jimmy Santiago and Pablo.
Well, you can't win them all if you're Pau Soriano, even if you're Pau Soriano.
You know, they should really, talking about the Lady Bulldogs, they should really start from where they play it best. Like blocking, diba? O ano sila, second best blocking team in the land. So, use that.
And they've got the assets, too. I mean, the height of these players.
And get confidence from the blocking. Just like now in Santiago with that power tip.
3 great defensive plays, Moji, I'm sorry.
No. Kasi parang gusto ko lang ma-build yung confidence nila. You just have to get it back and then para you can play your game.
A series of points para sa NU of great defensive plays by Santiago, Pablo, and Urdas at the net. Ooh, Pablo is off the mark here in set number 1.
You know, and Zapata, meanwhile, has been trying to go down the line, but Urdas already know where she's going to put the ball, so parang bumabalik lang.
Si Urdas, I think she's targeting row 1.
Alam mo, sa tangkad nitong mga NU team. That's why, oh my goodness.
Wow, that was almost vertical. You spiked ni Dindin Santiago. Take a look at that.
Look at that first line, almost first line hit by Dindin Santiago. Ay, first line nga naman, malayo pa dun sa attack line, ha? So, this is what they need, and this is what they are capable of.
NU is within 3. Great block, but good coverage again on the floor. An Adamson specialty. Another block at the net. Portel goes through this time. Pablo from the back row. Nice save.
Oh, and Pau Soriano just too smart. Just too smart. Especially on that last play.
Santiago was at the net.
Yep.
Kaya nga, lumingon pa ng konti si Pau Soriano because Dindin was right there for the block, but Soriano is known for angles. She finds angles where none exists.
Alam mo yung pag-take off pa lang niya, this is not going straight to you. Sorry, Dindin. So, you kind of saw Pau Soriano even angled her body for that hit.
23-18. Good coverage. Makatuno picks it up. Cortel with the underhand set. Free ball, NU. Pablo soars in. Knocks it in this time.
Pablo on that open hit, finally getting that point.
She's been struggling, Myla Pablo, but finally the block wasn't solid.
Yeah.
Guevara paid for it. And you need this girl to get going. You need her confidence to pick up.
Oh, and poor reception gives NU another point.
Not the time for misreception from Libero Listana as NU is within 3. Let's check in with Adamson.
Over the outside. Di ba? Ilang receiver? O, tatlo. Meet na ka lang. O, receive si Bebang, receive si Mayet. Receive, di ba? Okay. Isang receive lang. Tapos, pag-follow natin, cover. Ha? Pay. Dahan-dahan sa block. Ano ko eh. Pwede ka naman side mo yung ganyan mo eh. Tama naman sa akin.
If there's a team you should be scared of coming off a timeout, it's Adamson. They're one of the teams that respond and change quickly to instructions, ano? They, patapos ng ilang errors, Coach Meneses calls timeout, pagbalik, 3 straight points.
And then, especially now, they just need to close out
Exactly.
this set.
So NU has to play perfect, near perfect volleyball at this point.
Good serve!
Listana, back-to-back errors, Mosey.
What a floater. Difficult to receive. Santiago. That was a very long floater from Dindin. Beautiful.
Princess Listana is ranked number 8 in receiving. NU within 2, the closest they've ever been to national, or make that Adamson. And now they are within 1 after trailing by as much as 10.
And it has been the serves of Dindin Santiago making life difficult for Listana. This is the time where her teammates should help her to get this ball. Dapat kanina pa nga eh. Dapat may support na to receive it.
Santiago, another good serve. Oh, this time from Zapanta. She could not handle it. And can you believe it, Mosey? From down 10, NU tied with Adamson, set number 1.
Well, folks, again, this is how much each team needs a win. Need a win in these 2 games natin today. So they really need it badly, and you can feel it. Yun naman ang maganda. Mas hindi kasi maganda kung hindi mo na-feel that they want it.
That's true. NU's turn to attack. Pablo winds up. Pablo knocks it in.
Avoiding the blockers of Adamson. Pablo getting that point.
And who would have expected, after trailing the entire first set by as much as 10 points, NU is at set point over Adamson.
Imagine, we thought that Adamson would run away with this first set. Ito na, Adamson, the Lady Bulldogs fighting back, but Dindin Santiago run out of battery. Medyo na hindi napagod. Ang daming aces, just too much aces.
Yeah, that was about 3-4 aces, ano? For Santiago.
Kasi sa deck, 4 lang yung aces.
Law of averages caught up with her. So we're tied at 24.
This is what we were looking
And this is just set number 1.
This is what we kind of expect in these 2 games at least today.
Clear your afternoon schedules, folks. This is going to be a long one. Better reception this time by NU. Pablo from the other side.
Oh, great angle, Pablo. This is what you were talking about.